Join me as I dive deep into the Rdib stock and try to figure out if it's a buy or a bust today. Rdib stock has been making waves in the current market, and it's easy to see why. As one of the most popular stocks in its sector, Rdib has been on everyone's radar, with investors eagerly watching its every move. But what makes Rdib so special, and how does it stack up against its competitors? When it comes to Rdib stock, one of the biggest challenges facing investors is the sheer amount of uncertainty surrounding its future. Will it continue to grow at its current pace, or is it due for a correction? Another major concern is the impact of recent market trends on Rdib stock price. With so many factors at play, it's tough to know which way the wind is blowing. Furthermore, the ongoing trade tensions and regulatory changes have added an extra layer of complexity to the equation, making it even harder for investors to make informed decisions. And let's not forget the lack of concrete guidance from the company's management, which has only added to the uncertainty. Moving on to the financial metrics, Rdib's latest earnings report showed some promising signs, with revenue growth exceeding expectations and a strong balance sheet to boot. However, digging deeper, we can see that the company's profit margins have been shrinking, which could be a cause for concern. On the other hand, the recent trend of insiders buying up shares could be a sign that those closest to the company are bullish on its future prospects. Meanwhile, market trends are also playing a crucial role, with the sector as a whole experiencing a bit of a downturn. And let's not forget the role of institutional investors, who have been quietly accumulating shares over the past quarter. Delving deeper into the data, we can see that Rdib stock price has been highly correlated with the overall market performance, which could make it a good proxy for the broader economy. However, this also means that the stock is highly susceptible to market volatility, which could lead to some wild swings in the short term. Furthermore, the company's high valuation multiples are starting to look a bit stretched, which could be a sign that the stock is due for a pullback. On the flip side, the recent news about the company's expansion into new markets could be a major catalyst for growth in the future. One thing is for sure, Rdib stock is not for the faint of heart. With great potential comes great risk, and investors need to be prepared for anything. But if I had to make a prediction, I'd say that Rdib stock is likely to continue its upward trend in the long run, driven by its strong fundamentals and growing demand for its products. However, in the short term, be prepared for some wild swings as the market digests the latest news and trends. And let's not forget that Rdib is not a one-way bet. There are still plenty of risks lurking beneath the surface, and investors need to be aware of them. So there you have it, a thorough analysis of Rdib stock and what it might mean for investors. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I hope you found some valuable insights in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more stock analysis videos, and don't forget to check out my other related videos for more insights into the world of finance.